Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can essentially change the color of like stock videos on CapCut PC. So for instance, I want to use this background, but I want it in a different color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a color, for instance like this green one, and add it on top. But for the video I'm actually going to go to adjustments first and make it into black and white. Hold on. Black and white video, so turn down the saturation. Select the green overlay, go to blend mode, and just select the one that you think will match it the best. I personally like linear burn, but you can use others like color dodge as well. Just match it with the video. This also works, but you know, let's say linear. Oops. CapCut's having trouble right now, but you get the point. You saw it before, but that's how you can basically do it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!